Click on sound icon and make sure it was increase. If that didn't work, open Start and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Select Large icon. Click on Sound. Select your speaker and click on Default. Now open Communication tab. Select Do Nothing and press Apply and then OK. If that didn't work, right-click your speaker and click on Properties. Open Levels tab. Make sure speaker volume is turned up pretty high. Now open Advanced tab. Change CD or DVD until you start hearing sound. Press Apply and then OK. If that didn't work, open Start and type Troubleshoot. Open Troubleshoot. Click on Additional Troubleshoot. Click on Playing Audio. Click on Run the Troubleshoot. Now your problem should be fixed.